Get ready! You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Think carefully and give it your best.
7 times 8. Yes, the answer is 56. Next question, 36 divided by 4. Very nice. The answer is 9. 15 plus 21. It's good, 36. 50 minus 23. 50 minus 23 is... It's good, 27. Question number 5. 9 times 6. Good, 54. 25 divided by 5. Good, 5. 8 or 18 plus 14. It's good. 32. 60 divided by 3. Very nice, 20. The next question, 45 minus 19. Good, 26. 7 times 7. $49. 27 divided by 3. Good, 9. 24 plus 15. Okay, the next question is relatively so hard, so try it carefully. 90 divided by 10. Good. 10. 56 plus 17. Good. 74. 77 minus 29. Thank you. 50. 16 times 6. Thank you. 96. 88 divided by 8. Very nice. 11. The last question. 99 minus 58. Thank you, students.